Universal Windows Direct is a leading manufacturer and distributor of vinyl replacement windows. Founded in 2002, Universal Windows Direct offers windows, siding, doors, and roofing services. Universal manufactures all of its window and door products in-house, and its windows are available for homeowners throughout the Midwest United States and select cities nationwide. Universal windows are custom-made and available exclusively in vinyl. Universal Windows Direct offers 7 primary styles of windows: bay and bow windows, double hung, crank-out, sliding, picture, and garden windows. Universal Windows Direct reviews maintain an average score of 80% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.0 out of 5-star rating on average. Recent customers have most cited great customer service and good prices as the primary reasons for choosing Universal Windows Direct for their window replacement project. From a pricing perspective, Universal Windows Direct windows rank slightly above the median price for average replacement windows on the market today. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.